In this video, I'm going to be doing a Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection review. I'll be going over what Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection is, along with answering the popular questions: is Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection worth it? Do you really need Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection? I'll also be going over the Domain Privacy Plus Protection pricing. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of Bluehost Domain Privacy and whether or not it's worth having for your needs. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 70% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost discount, just click the link in the description below. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection review. So what is Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection? Domain Privacy is a Bluehost package extra that is offered by Bluehost when signing up with them, or can be purchased in the Bluehost dashboard. Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection protects your personal information from spammers, marketers, unwanted phone calls and postal mail, identity theft, fraudulent domain transfers, competitors being able to look up which domain you own, malware, and SEO blacklists. Bluehost Domain Privacy also comes with a malware scan of your site every 24 hours and will notify you before it causes problems. You can also set up text messages and emails so you are notified when certain things happen with your domain, like unauthorized attempts to purchase your domain, re-register it, or move your domain elsewhere. When you register a domain name, no matter what domain provider you choose, your personal information goes into the public WHOIS directory, as domain names are regulated by ICANN, a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to making the internet safe and secure. Since the WHOIS directory is public, anyone can get your personal information. It's very common to get lots of spam and marketing emails and calls if you don't choose Domain Privacy Plus Protection. Spammers and marketers will get your phone number or email address from the WHOIS directory and start sending lots of emails and making lots of calls to you to sell you their services. By choosing Domain Privacy Plus Protection instead of your personal information showing, Bluehost default contact information for this will show, protecting you and your personal information. I highly recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection. Now let's go over the Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection pricing. When signing up with Bluehost, once you get to the Package Extras section, you'll see Domain Privacy Plus Protection if you choose to register a domain name with Bluehost. If you already have a domain name from another provider, this package extra won't show. Also, if you choose the I'll create my domain later option, the Domain Privacy Package Extra won't show. You'll be able to add it on when you decide on a domain name in the Bluehost dashboard. Domain Privacy Plus Protection will cost you 99 cents per month and is billed annually at a cost of $11.88 for the year if signing up with your new Bluehost account under the Package Extras section. If you've already signed up with Bluehost and you need to add Domain Privacy Plus Protection, you can also do it from the Bluehost dashboard. It'll be under the Marketplace section under Add-ons. It'll cost you a little more. The pricing comes to $125 a month. So in my opinion, is Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection worth it? Yes, domain privacy is worth it. I highly recommend Domain Privacy so your personal information is kept private and so you aren't flooded with lots of calls, emails, and postal mail. I hope this Bluehost Domain Privacy Plus Protection review video helped you answer the question of whether you really need Bluehost Domain Privacy. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.